Hello there, my name is Desiree King, broker of record at King's Downsizing Estate Services. I'm here today at the Village of Erin Meadows retirement residence in Mississauga for their open house. Part of the Schlegel Villages, this community offers a full continuum of care from independent living to long-term care, all in one place, supporting seniors as their needs change. Now, let me take you on a quick tour of one of their suites. So this is the Williamsburg suite. It's about 706 square feet and it's a one bedroom. As you can see, it's bright, it's spacious. This is the washroom here on my right. As you can see, it's accessible and has bars built in, all your safety features, barrier-free entry, wide washroom over here. Then we'll go over here, there's a big big coat closet, little kitchenette, since most people that come into this suite will apply to the meal plan. You can see the actual floor plan there, as well as some of my brochures from today's open house. There's my sign. We have a nice little living room area here. There's room for a 3 sofa and a single chair, and then another space back here leading out to these big, bright, beautiful windows. Over here on my left is the bedroom. They have a single bed here, but I'm sure it could fit a double as well. And then you have a big closet over here on the left and another big bright window. One of the best things about here as well is help is just a push button away. All of the suites have this. This particular suite is on a floor for people who require more care. So it's on the first floor. No need to take elevators or anything. So give me a call. Again, my name is Desiree King, broker of record of King's Downsizing Estate Services. If you're contemplating downsizes, making a move, or just not really sure what to do, give me a call. We can go on a tour, introduce you to one of the directors here, and you can begin to put a plan in mind. Have a wonderful day.